Bless us in the container of this sacred community festival to remind us that love is the way through and home.
We open with a drum circle at Sacred Fest, so we start off the day with a bang, with everybody gathering together and harmonizing together with the beat of the drum and just sharing it in music.
Sacred Fest is a community gathering hosted by True Nature Healing Arts in Carbondale, Colorado. We have massages and activities for kids and food for everyone. Entertainment for all walks of life. Sacred Fest is designed to inspire, to help us come together in community around chant, around great environment.
In the light of your grace, I walk on. In the light of your grace, I walk on.
The music at Sacred Fest is uplifting, it's inspiring, it invokes energy inside of you, it's emotional, you can feel the presence of the energy behind the words, and also it's interactive because you're participating with the artists. You can sing, you can listen, and with chanting the vibration is there and present, and it invokes things inside of us and it works with us.
The most enjoyable aspect of participating in Sacred Fest is that we have this incredible space for our community to come together, where I get to share sacred moments with people that I love in celebration of life, celebration of movement, of embodiments, of music.
Panduranga, 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 Hare, Panduranga, Hare.
Sacred Fest is a day for you to step out of your life and step into an environment that asks you to go deeper. Through the music, through the community, through the food and the atmosphere, you're able to step into a whole new arena that yoga has to offer, the full spectrum of yoga, getting past postures, but diving in to what it's all about.
Yeah.